Do you ever wonder how some people seem to start their day on the right foot, no matter what's going on in their lives? The secret is often in the mindset they cultivate as soon as they wake up. A great way to shift your mindset from the moment you open your eyes is through the power of affirmations. These simple yet profound statements can help you set the tone for a day filled with positivity, purpose, and peace. By reinforcing empowering beliefs, affirmations help align your thoughts and actions with your goals. Ready to tap into your inner power and start your day right? Let's dive into 5 powerful affirmations that can help you kick off your mornings with clarity and confidence. 1. I am in control of my thoughts, feelings, and actions. This affirmation is a reminder of your personal power. Life is unpredictable, and throughout the day, you'll likely face situations that test your patience, challenge your emotions, or tempt you to react impulsively. When you remind yourself that you are in control of how you respond, you shift your perspective from feeling like a victim of circumstances to becoming the master of your own reactions. You cannot control everything that happens, but you have absolute authority over how you handle those events. When you start your day with this mindset, you create a mental buffer against stress, frustration, and negativity. Being in control of your thoughts means you can actively choose optimism over pessimism, calm over chaos, and understanding over judgment. Similarly, being aware of your emotions allows you to address your feelings in a constructive way rather than letting them control you. Lastly, controlling your actions means that no matter what challenges arise, you are empowered to respond deliberately and thoughtfully. Over time, consistently practicing this affirmation will help you cultivate emotional intelligence and greater self-discipline, making you feel more confident and capable in every area of your life. 2. I am worthy of love, respect, and abundance. This powerful affirmation centers on self-worth, which is foundational for personal growth and happiness. Many of us go through life doubting whether we deserve the good things we desire, whether it's success in our careers, meaningful relationships, or financial abundance. This kind of self-doubt can create limiting beliefs that stop us from pursuing opportunities and dreams. By affirming your inherent worth, you counteract these limiting beliefs and open yourself up to receiving love, respect, and abundance from the universe. Saying "I am worthy" reprograms your mind to believe that you deserve the good things in life simply because you exist, not because of what you do or achieve. This mindset shift helps you to stop seeking validation from external sources and to begin valuing yourself. When you genuinely believe that you are worthy of respect, you are less likely to tolerate disrespectful behavior from others. When you believe that abundance is your birthright, you're more likely to attract financial and emotional prosperity into your life. Over time, this affirmation builds a deep sense of self-love and security, which allows you to take bolder steps toward your goals. It encourages you to release fear, scarcity, and feelings of inadequacy, making room for opportunities that match your new belief in your worth. 3. I attract positive energy and radiate it to others. This affirmation is about both receiving and giving energy. We live in a world where the energy we carry often influences the people and situations we encounter. If you start your day by affirming that you attract positive energy, you'll naturally begin to look for and focus on the good around you. This can change the way you approach your day, making you more receptive to opportunities and more resilient in the face of difficulties. But attracting positivity is only half the equation. The second part, radiating positive energy to others, is just as important. When you radiate positivity, you create a ripple effect. The people around you, family, friends, co-workers, even strangers, can sense your energy, and it has the power to lift their spirits and improve their mood. Imagine walking into a room and immediately uplifting the energy just by your presence. This is the power of positivity. It not only enriches your life, but also enhances the lives of those around you. Practicing this affirmation daily helps you become a beacon of optimism. People are naturally drawn to those who radiate positivity, which can lead to stronger relationships and even new opportunities. In addition, when you choose to be a source of light for others, you cultivate a sense of purpose and fulfillment that enhances your overall well-being. 4. I am capable of achieving my goals and overcoming challenges. This affirmation is about reinforcing your inner strength and confidence. Life is full of obstacles, and at times it can be easy to feel overwhelmed or defeated. But when you remind yourself daily that you are capable of overcoming any challenges that come your way, you begin to build an unshakable sense of resilience. This affirmation encourages you to focus not on the difficulties, but on your ability to find solutions. Being capable means you have the necessary skills, intelligence, and drive to achieve your goals. It's not about perfection, but about persistence. Every step you take toward your goals, no matter how small, is progress. And by believing in your capability, you foster a mindset of growth rather than fear of failure. This belief propels you forward even when things seem tough. When you face challenges, this affirmation serves as a reminder that setbacks are temporary. You are strong enough to adapt, learn, and continue moving forward. Over time, repeating this affirmation creates a mental resilience that makes you unstoppable. You become someone who doesn't shy away from challenges, but embraces them as opportunities for growth and success. 5. Today is a new day filled with endless possibilities. This affirmation brings a fresh perspective to each day, encouraging you to let go of past failures and future worries. Each day is a blank canvas, offering new opportunities and experiences. By affirming that today is filled with endless possibilities, you set the intention to approach the day with curiosity and excitement. This mindset allows you to be open to new ideas, take risks, and embrace the unknown with a sense of adventure. Starting your day with this affirmation shifts your focus away from the limitations of yesterday and the uncertainties of tomorrow. Instead, it anchors you in the present moment, where you have the power to create the reality you desire. When you truly believe that today holds limitless potential, you naturally become more proactive in seeking opportunities and making the most of your time. This affirmation helps you develop a mindset of possibility rather than limitation. It encourages you to take action on your goals and seize new opportunities as they arise. When you live each day with a sense of excitement and hope, you set the stage for personal and professional growth, ultimately leading to a more fulfilled and abundant life. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock your inner power now. If today's episode inspired you or gave you something to think about, don't forget to like the video and share it with others who might need a little extra motivation. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our next step toward personal growth and empowerment. Remember, the power to change your life is already within you. Unlock it now. See you in the next one.